The other day, I bought my husband a couple of new pairs of work jeans, and he really liked them. So, when he was doing the folding the laundry the other day, he came to me and he said, can you fix my old jeans? I said, yeah. He said, see this pair of jeans that's ready for the rag bin? He said, if you could take the belt loops off of these and put them onto my old jeans like the new jeans you bought me. His new jeans have 7 belt loops, not 5. His old jeans have 5. And he likes the way it holds his belt in place much better than the older jeans that he has. Different brand, they make them differently. So I said, sure. So using a knife and my little nippers, I got these off. And I like to clean them up. I like to pull the extra threads off of them. Just get as much as you can. That's just less that your machine has to go through. Plus, in this case, the loops are just a little bit shorter than the ones on the on the jeans I'm working on. Then you take and you fold it. This is the back loop. This is the side loop. You just want to find equidistant between the two, and you want to do it for both of them while you're at it. And there we go, just like this. Now, because the the belt loops are just a little bit shorter than the ones on this pair of pants, I'm going to refold them a little bit. Just give them a good crimp and refold them. Now, when you stitch these, you want to start in the middle. Don't try to start over here and sew this way. It will never work. Your presser foot will push it out of the way. Set it down in the middle, then sew it to the end, then back it up, and go back and forth 3 or 4 times, maybe 5 if you want. Okay, let's do that. And go very carefully, because you're going through about 6 or 7 thicknesses of denim when you sew it down. And your machine might not be able to do a really good job. Just take it easy. Now, I'm using a straight stitch. This were originally put on with a zigzag. Because these are the auxiliary loops, I don't think it's going to make that much difference. Anyway, refold. I got the top one. Now I'm going to refold the bottom one and set it in place. Now it's just a matter of finishing the other one and trimming the tags. And we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on this pair of jeans. Anyway, if you like my little demo of how easy it is to fix a pair of jeans, like and subscribe, and I'll see you some other time. Thank you.